Within XSI, this is what the interface looks like. The interface I use every day looks like. Basically, I have my own panel, my own development panel, where I store some of the different scripts that I use in order to create my characters. And you can see that I have a special section I break up for my core scripts, my extended scripts, and then I have this sort of multi-part area where I keep startup scripts and then scripts for different presentations or different characters that I might be working on. So these are more custom scripts which I keep on a per character basis, and of course these scripts call up my core and my extended tools. You can also see if you look at each one of these, you can also see that all these scripts are register within the command category. And of course, they're all published under the create. They all get registered under the custom create command. You can also, if you look at my hierarchy structure, I usually break down my scripts into different parts, different directories. So I'll have my core directory where I keep all the core scripts that do that specific things. Of course, in this case, they're all J scripts. Also, if I have a character specific, I'll have a directory for that character, for those scripts, for that character. So everything is broken down into its sub parts, into different directories. Now if we go back to my, I have a sample script which is a hello world script, and you can kind of see that this is what it does, and if you drag it, this is what it looks like basically. This is one of my functions I built. It's a simple example of how you can set up an object called message, and you define its class and all its variables, and then you can pass it to a script called example A, which calls itself a hello world script. So this is one of them. Another one of them is if you look at, for example, at one of my basic scripts is the create control. Now this is one of my older scripts, so this one actually passes multiple variable. So this is a more standard function looking, but this basically will create controls. I also have a chaining script which will create chains, will create like joints, and again I pass it multiple variables. Again, this is one of my older scripts, and I'm currently in the process of modernizing, and again only with passing 3 arguments and then doing the parsing within that script. And of course, when you put it all together, this is one of my scripts to actually assemble a character. It's called robo assemble robo. Pretty straightforward. This will actually call other functions that built the different part of the character. So each one of these functions is a separate function. I have a geometry to load the geometry. I create markers, which are just nulls that I then use in order to place the joints and create the control system. If you run it, this is what it looks like. Basically, it's creating all the controls, creating all the locators or markers, if you will. Just finished up loading the geometry, and there we go. Now it's processing, and there we go. It created, and the end result is, oops, a robot. So this is a simple example, work still in progress of course, of how you can set up your own character development tool process in order to develop the tools, the scripts, both the general scripts and the custom scripts, in order to create your characters, or many characters.